at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain about how to understand denial of service attack and distributed denial of service attack. These attacks are very important. That is used by the hacker in order to make a low performance of the network. That is, this kind of attack will be focused for making down the network capacity as network performance or capacity as very low. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to prevent those attacks from the hackers. Introduction to DoS and denial of distributed denial of services. Here I am defining what is DoS and what is DDoS. A denial of service attack, it is made for the unavailable network security or services. That is by overwhelming with the traffic or sending malframed request. If the network performance is very low, automatically the network security will be very low down. So we could not prefer that network. The denial of service attacks will spoil the network service and its time. Distributed denial of service, it is the another attack which involves multiple compromised systems. That is, for example, here it is a botnets that is targeting a single system and amplifying the attacks scales and effectiveness. Historical context. DOS attacks have been around since the early days of the internet, evolving complexity and scale. But in DDoS becoming more prevalent due to the rise of IoT devices. Here, various types of DOS and DDoS attacks are available. The first one is volume-based attack. These attacks flood the bandwidth of the target system. That excessive traffic utilizing method like ICMP flow or UDP flow floods to saturate network resources. Then protocol attacks, it's another kind of DOS. It is the type of targeted system that weakness in a network protocol such as SYN flood and which is exploit the TCP handshaking method. Application layer attack, it is the third form of DOS attack. In this, it focuses on exhausting of resources and of the specific applications like HTTP floods, etc., which sends a numerous requests to the web servers. Then the server will be slowed down due to the unsolicited requests. Impact of DOS and DDoS attacks. The DOS is manually disturbing service disruption and reputation damages increase the operational cost. The first one is service disruption. The primary impact of the disruption of the service leading to downtime for the websites or online services. Not only this, it also slow down the performance of the network, which can result in the loss of revenue. Second one is reputation damage. Business suffer reputational harm when they cannot provide a reliable services, leading to loss of customers' trust and potential long-term usages. Increased operational cost. In multi-gating attacks requires additional resources including enhanced security measures and cybersecurity firms, increasing overall operational methods. Motivations behind the attacks. This kind of attack can be happened for the various reasons such as financial loss, political activism, and revenge or personal grudges. Some attackers demand ransom payments to stop the attack, exploiting business fears of the prolonged service disruption. This is coming under financial gain. And the second one is political activism. Hacktivism is a common motivation where the attackers target organizations to promote the political causes to social issues, disrupting their operations. And revenge of personal or goods. Disgruntled employees or competitors may launch attacks or as a form of retaliations and aiming to harm the target of business algorithms and operations. So this kind of attack will spoil the either a network performance or a service slowdown. So this will cause an effect of how the users will not gain that services. So basically this kind of DOS and DDoS will happens only for gaining a financial purpose or to take a revenge of individual persons who are in the topmost employee of the concern. Otherwise it may be a political reasons. So demanding these issues, we have to aware by protecting this kind of issues, the user should aware of this kind of attacks, and also they should not share any data unnecessarily. For example, if we are having a link, that link may be sent by the attacker, we should not download or share any other persons without unknowing, without unawareness about that link. So we have to follow some basic awareness schemes while we are transferring a data, or we have or whatever this we can, if we are using a resource utilization or services from the network, we should be aware of the attack, and we could not send sensitive data as early as possible. So by doing like this manner, we can have a chance to protect ourselves from the cyber hackers. Thank you.